Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle for shawarma easy guide. Sterilize jars, slice vegetables consistently thin, and prepare a balanced brine with vinegar, water, salt, and a bit of sugar. Toast whole spices briefly to release aroma and add garlic or chili for heat. Pack vegetables tightly, pour hot brine, seal jars, and cool to room temperature before refrigerating to develop flavor over at least 1 day. Prepare vegetables by washing and slicing them thinly for consistent texture and quick pickling. Salt firmer slices and let them sit to draw out excess moisture, then rinse and pat dry before packing. If desired, blanch carrots or cabbage briefly to keep them crisp but tender. Layer vegetables and aromatics like garlic, bay leaf, and peppercorns in jars so flavors distribute evenly when brine is added and the jars are stored. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the simple path to wealth as a concise, friendly guide that makes financial choices simpler, much like a good pickle brightens a shawarma. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a lighthearted pick for off-camera reading. Now let's get back to the video. Make a hot brine with equal parts vinegar and water, adjust salt and sugar to taste, and simmer spices briefly to bloom their oils. Pour the hot brine over packed vegetables, leaving minimal headspace, then tap jars gently to remove air bubbles. Seal while hot to create a good seal and cool jars on the counter. Refrigerate for at least a day so flavors meld and the pickles gain the bright, tangy profile perfect for shawarma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.